In the vast sky of science and technology, there is a beam of brilliant light, curving out the beautiful outline of the future. With unparalleled precision and lightning speed, WOLEI Laser, a national high-tech enterprise, and also a national specialized and new enterprise in 2024. It has been more than 10 years since its birth, working day and night, forging ahead. WOLEI Laser is dedicated to the research, production, and sales of CNC laser processing equipment. It has more than 30 experienced R&D personnel, more than 130 technical personnel, and a production base of 100,000 square meters. It is located in the Daejeon National High-Tech Development Zone, where industries are concentrated and booming. It is also a vibrant and world-leading new materials industrial city. As an internationally leading manufacturer of metal forming equipment, WOLEI Laser's products include laser cutting machines, laser tube cutting machines, laser cleaning machines, laser welding machines, laser cladding machines, CNC bending machines, etc. In the increasingly fierce market competition, we have fully absorbed the international advanced industry concepts, and all departments have worked closely together to independently develop a series of laser processing equipment, injects the latest optical, mechanical, and electrical integration technology solutions to achieve a perfect combination of performance, forming a product architecture with complete categories to meet the needs of customers at different levels. The main components of WOLEI Laser equipment are all first-line brands in the industry, with advanced and standardized manufacturing processes. All series of products have passed ISO 9001 CE, FDA, and other domestic and international quality system certification. The company has multiple marketing service points in China, and its products are exported to more than 60 countries and regions including Russia, the United States, Germany, Brazil, Turkey, Egypt, South Africa, and Southeast Asia, with the continuous launch of new products and technologies, such as cutting-edge water-guided laser cutting machines, laser obstacle removers, and AI collaborative applications. New orders from new customers at home and abroad are pouring in. High quality is our eternal pursuit. Customer first is our eternal belief. Being a laser application expert and creating value for customers is our eternal original intention. WOLEI Laser is willing to work with merchants from all over the world, with unremitting efforts to create a brilliant tomorrow.